stops on Sunday morning, where silence hits me differently today. I used to think that being strong meant holding on, but something in the stillness seems to say freedom feels like falling at first, but falling's teaching me to fly. Ooh, teaching me to fly. Stained glass windows paint the wooden pews where I learned to speak my truth again. My hands were shaking as I lit the candle's flame, finding peace and letting go of when freedom feels like falling at first, but falling's teaching me to fly. Ooh, teaching me to fly. Every prayer I whispered through the pain led me to this moment, led me here. Like a bird that's learning how to trust its wings, I'm finding strength in what I used to fear. La la la, la la la, let it go. Now I understand what love can be, when it gives you space to set it free. There's grace in every step I take alone, in this heart that's finally found its home. Like falling at first, but falling's teaching me to fly.